video, I'm going to be showing you how to do the finger snap transition, which I will show you right here. How to create a snap finger before and after transition with a video tutorial. Let's get into it. See, we been making love constantly. That's why my eyes are a shade. My name is Alexandria, and on this channel I talk about Black women and Black girl things, Canva tips, and I share my entrepreneurial journey with you all. So now I'm gonna show y'all what I'm doing behind the scenes, but I'm also showing you what I'm doing behind the scenes, and I'm gonna screen record it for you too. I'm going to click my reel, create a reel. So now what I am doing, I have all these books set up here. I have all these books set up right here. So I'm going to record that. And I'm going to do a timer for 6 seconds with a 3-second countdown. So now we're going to start. Oh, I definitely messed that up. Let's restart. So I'm going to do a countdown. 6 seconds. 3-second countdown. Set timer. Let's start. And I'm going to do the snap. I love the snap transitions. I feel like it adds a dramatic flair. So now I'm going to clean up. I'm going to clean up the desk. Just say you had a mess right here. So I'm moving the books. Clean off my desk, literally. So now I'm going to set a timer. 3 seconds. And it's going to show the desk clean. And I'm going to pull you close so y'all can see me edit. Okay, now I'm going to show y'all how I edit the video, and I'm going to just walk y'all through it with the screen recording. So I'm going to go down to the bottom. You're going to go down to the bottom and click edit clips. And I want the snap to be a smooth transition. So let's see here. I think that would be a good place to start. So let's see. Okay, it needs to come up some more. Let's see. Yeah, that needs to be smoother. Okay, I think that might be it, y'all. And that's how you can say like a before and after as well. I want to save it. So that is how you can do one of these transitions. The snap finger transition I love the most. I think it's the easiest too, especially if you don't want to align things as much. And I think it's really good for before and afters. I would do it in the middle of the room where it's changing, give a view of the room. But that is how you would do a transition with the finger snap. in a reel or even a TikTok. Because look, we repurpose content over here. Thank you for watching. Comment down below if you want me to go into detail about something else. But be sure to check out my how-to reel series for extra help on creating a reel that's broken down into little parts instead of a big old thing, so it can be easy for you to digest and learn and elevate your content skills. Thank you for watching. Bye.